my channel. Today we're going to go over what's in my hospital bag. So your girl is 9 months pregnant. She can be here any day now. So I definitely wanted to show you guys what I'm packing. So I got this little weekend bag. It's very, very roomy. Okay, it has space in the bottom and it has some side pockets right here. And then on the inside, it has a pocket and then it has some little pockets as well. But I'm going to show you guys the essentials. So of course, when you have a baby, you want to make sure that number one, you have some pads with you. That is super duper important. I love some honey pot pads because not only are they cooling, but if you've seen my review on these pads, they are everything, especially if you have a baby. When you have a baby, your area, your private area is very sensitive, sore, you bleed. You want to make sure that you have pads that hold all the flow. And you also want to be able to have pads that will provide some type of cooling because, like I said, that area is sore. So make sure that you guys watch the honey pot pads review that I have linked up top and down below. But these are what I'm packing. So I am packing the 100% organic cotton cover postpartum pads. It's so great that not only do they cater to different flows, but that they have these postpartum ones. So I'm packing a pack of these. I'm packing the overnight pads. If you want to know the difference, make sure that you watch my review. I'm also packing these. This is new, 100% organic cotton cover heavy flow daytime pads. It's new to me. I haven't tried it before. It has 6 out of 7 teardrops highlighted, colored in. And so we're going to try these out. So we have these heavy flow daytime pads, and I am planning to use them during the daytime. We have the overnight pads, and then we have the postpartum pads. So these 3 babies are definitely a go. Since I'm usually in the hospital only for 2 days, I'm definitely just going to be using these. But if I run out, I'm going to put these bad boys in play. So these are going in the bag. Next on the list, you want to make sure that you're comfortable. So I have 3 different pairs of socks, some like ankle socks, some little tube socks. There's no better feeling than after you shower to just get into your comfort area, whatever makes you comfortable. So I have some extra socks. Now down to the clothes. So your girl is a tomboy, okay? I like the nice, sexy little cute pajamas, lounge sets, but I also like just comfortable sets. So with that being said, I'm gonna show you guys different fits that I have. Not to say that I'm going to wear all of them, but you just want to be prepared. So I have some Polo Ralph Lauren boxer briefs, okay? I love these. Even when I'm home, I put them on, so they are definitely a go. I have 2 pairs of these. I have one of my favorite lounge baggy, big, loose tops, okay? It's just what I like. Like I said, you want to make sure that you're comfortable, so pack what makes you feel comfortable. And apart from that, I have a long sleeve shirt. Very thin, you don't need to see that. But I also have one of these. I love this little number here. Very loose, not tight, very comfortable. One of these long, jammy dresses. That's what I'm gonna call it. And then I also have some clothes to wear when I leave the hospital. And so I have these maternity leggings right here. They're also loose, they're not tight at all. Very comfortable, very breathable. And then for my top, I have this loose, soft material V-neck top. And so again, for me, it's very important to just be comfortable. And so that's what I have. But as far as undergarments go, I'm gonna show you. I have these nursing bras. I bought a pack from Amazon. I'm gonna link and show you guys which one they are. But I've honestly been wearing them 2 months prior to now, and they're comfortable. I'm not breastfeeding, but they're so comfortable that I can wear them just as a regular bra. And so I like that I tried them on 2-3 months prior to giving birth, because what you don't want is to be in the hospital in a nursing bra that feels uncomfortable, or that it's tight, or that it's itchy. You don't want that. So I'm gonna link these in the video and show you guys which ones I bought. Apart from that, we have a bunch of granny panties. Okay, they're very big. For me, it's all about comfort, but when you have a heavy flow, you also want something to give you a nice fit. I use the hospital panties that they give me, but I also have a bunch of these. You don't need to see that, but just I have some granny panties there. And then last but not least, I have my maternity little top. Now, this top here is special to me because I wore it for my son, and that's about it. But it's still, you know, it still works. It does the job. It's very comfortable. You take these off right here, and then you breastfeed. You put it back on, and it's like a nice little top. And you can get these at like Target, Walmart. So I have some options as far as what I want to wear. It's always good, like I said, to have options. You may say, oh, I want to wear this, but then when you actually finish giving birth, you want to wear something else. So bring some options, but you don't need a lot of clothes. So we're going to pack these in here. Let's move these pads over a little bit. Stack these clothes in here. Stack my pads in here. Okay, and then we have baby essentials. So the last part I want to get into when it comes to the mom, well, the second to last part, is this nipple balm. Some ladies wear these prior to breastfeeding just to be able to soften up your nipples, make sure that they're nice and moisturized before you give birth. After you start breastfeeding for a while, sometimes you get a little sore, your nipples, or they crack or they bleed. But I'm gonna show you. This is what it is, okay? Nipple balm, soothe sore nipples, comfort relief. Okay, apply to nipples after nursing or as needed. No need to wash off prior to breastfeeding. So it's safe for you, it's safe for baby, and this is everything that it doesn't have. Okay, so I definitely recommend this. I used it for baby Kevin, but I got a new one for baby girl. So I have some clothes for her. Okay, so I have 2-pack of pants for little baby. I'll just leave these here in its little packaging. I will remove this packaging though. This is a nice little 2-pack onesie for her, okay? Super cute, okay? And apart from the onesies, I have this 4-pack top t-shirt, which can go with these little pants, okay? Now, originally, I wanted gender-neutral clothes because I didn't know what the sex of the baby was, and so I got a lot of gender-neutral clothes, and she's just gonna wear it, okay? And then the last piece that I'm bringing with me is this comfort knit multi-use cover. So you can use it to cover the baby carrier when you're breastfeeding, cover up a chair, or even use this like if you go to the supermarket. But this is what I'm bringing with me as well. So the last thing for me to pack would be just like my skincare things, you know, toothbrush, toothpaste, moisturizer, cleanser. But those are just little things. You literally do not need the entire bottle. Just bring travel size items. As far as my hair goes, I think I'm just gonna leave it natural. I never had it in a protective style when I had any of them. So I'm just gonna make sure that I keep my hair nice and fresh and washed every week. And if anything, I'll just throw a thing in a ponytail, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, this concludes this video. I really just wanted to share with you guys what I'm packing in my hospital bag. And that's about it. I don't know when she's coming. I'm excited for her arrival, but I definitely wanted to just share that with you guys. So if there's anything that you see that you didn't pack in your hospital bag, or want to pack, or should pack, or have any questions, let me know. I'm on a baby number 4, so ask away. Peace, love, positive vibes. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in for the next video.